Hello everybody. I just released a sort of mini kit really to go with the bead kits that I've already got. I just think sometimes I like to just add a few extra pages just to make it a little bit different. So I've sat this week and just done some collage pages out of some of the ephemera. Hopefully I might have used that one in my other kits, I think. But I just like to sort of like play around with the images and bring out, do some collage pieces. So like I said, I've kept this very reasonable. It's 14 pages altogether, and like the other one, I didn't have no faux stamps and a couple of things I didn't have, so I sorted that out. So that's the first of the collage pages. Then I've got a copy in that in like a sepia tone or tone on tone, I usually say. There, then that's the same sort. Was it the same images on that, or was that different? Yeah, it's different. Sometimes I use the same and then mush them all up so they're different. So that was another one. Okay, and there is the sepia tone on that one. Then I've done some bees because I love this bee. As you know, I've used it quite a lot actually. It's a really nice shape. So I've done like one good for envelopes and things like that. And I've done this one here using some of the ephemera, and there I've printed that one on card because I forgot what I had in my printer. These are some of the ephemera, but I've blown them up because again, cut down, they will make nice pages, in your journal. So, and the same with that one. Oh, my printer's a little bit needs cleaning. It's got a bit of residue on there. And then here's some of the ephemera. Yeah, I sort of hunted around for some different things and made some up as well. Like I made that one up. There's there. Then this is the ones I sort of made. I made these. Yeah, it was really funny because I released the kit and I was looking at what I'd printed and oh my god, there was a spelling mistake. I missed the F out on transformation, but I literally sort of took it off and changed it, edited it and released it again. Yeah, so I've just done some little of my little boxes with my little sayings in because I do find them really handy. Then I shrunk them down here because I had a bit of space, and some faux stamps, and I've done little ones like this as well. Shrunk that one down and then done these. There's that, and then there's some. Oh yeah, there's my printer sort of going a bit odd, and a few bits and pieces in there. And then there's a copy of. I didn't blow this one up anymore because it wasn't high quality. It was a scan of a very old document and it went a little bit blurry, a bit pixelated. So I didn't want to. So I kept it that size. I thought it's still okay for a topper. And then there. And then it's all the little bits and pieces all shrunk down. So you've got your, your little bits for your snippets, and I might actually even do that again. I know I might shrink that down to a page again, and I'll get it even smaller. Some of them might be a bit too small, but I think I'm going to go and do that actually for my kit for the journal I'm doing. So yes, so that's just a little video on that kit because as you know, I am doing a bead journal. It's really funny because I started it and then I started doing this and I thought, well, I can't do the journal now until I've done this. So I've done it now, so now I can get on with the journal. So I've been filling in by making loads of ephemera, haven't I, and everything. So, and putting freebies on the Facebook group and stuff. So I've kept myself very active. Okay, thank you very much then, and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye.